Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. I love starting my days with a savory meal, particularly an East Asian soup like this Vietnamese pho. This soup had mung bean sprouts, mushrooms, carrots, Thai basil, cilantro, spicy peppers, rice noodles. It's so yummy and filling. Oh, I just loved it. I'm trying really hard not to kill my plants. But I never know how to properly water them. My mom told me to stick my finger in the soil to see if it's moist, and if it's still moist, then I don't need to water them yet. Feel like this is definitely dry. On the bottom are starting to turn yellow, like the leaves underneath. We'll see how it goes. I do not have a green thumb. Here are the overnight oats that you saw me make. As you can see, I like mine extra creamy. This is like way creamier than most people do their overnight oats, but it's how I like it. If you don't like overnight oats this creamy, then you can use way less liquid. Pumpkin seeds and hemp seeds. You can add fruit, fresh fruit, dried fruit, raisins, whatever you like. I don't really like adding fruit to my overnight oats, just seeds. This is so good. I'm about to start reading this book. I'm super interested in learning about this, and I like learning about Chinese medicine. But I've been learning about Chinese medicine for a while now, so now I want to see what this is all about. Have any of you all read this before? It got really, really great reviews online. So I just wanted to come on here quickly and say that this is not the prettiest looking pasta recipe, but it is so delicious. I mixed homemade marinara sauce with my homemade garlic and herb cream cheese recipe. If you haven't tried that cream cheese, I'll link the recipe because it's gotten great reviews from people who've tried it. but it's super yummy. I'll do a recipe on this pasta dish soon, and hopefully it'll look prettier next time. I'm currently manifesting an RV into my life. So I've been going to a few RV shows and I thought I'd share it with you. It's so exciting. These are my first times being in an RV when I went to these shows, and they are so beautiful. Do you see this bathroom? Like, this is a bathroom in an RV. It had a bench for you to sit on. Beautiful shower, double sinks, stairs. It's crazy. But I want an RV because I grew up traveling. Like, my whole life I spent traveling. But then once I started college, or once I graduated college, I kind of stayed in the same place for a while, and that's not in my nature. I don't enjoy it at all, and I'm ready to start traveling again. So I want an RV so I can travel throughout North America, Central America, South America, everywhere. And then when I can't take the RV, I'll just ship it into another country and drive it around that country, that continent. But that's how I plan to spend the next few years of my life, just traveling and living minimally. I don't need a huge house. And when you look at these RVs, just look at them. Like, what more do you need? The one that I love the most can easily, like, 4 people could easily live in it. They have bunk beds, a full queen size bed, and the master. Like, they're huge. I don't understand why people need huge houses when at least 50% of it doesn't even get used. But you know, to each their own. I'm not knocking people who do want huge houses. It's just not for me. But yeah, I can't wait. Are any of you RV lovers? Have you ever owned an RV? Do you plan on owning an RV, or it's like converting a van like a lot of people are doing? Oh, this Esteem, this is my favorite right here. So far, this is my favorite because it just has everything you need. An oven, double sinks. I'm gonna see if we can take that microwave out because I don't use microwaves. Look at the bunk beds, nice size bunk beds. That's the master bedroom in there. Like, it has everything you need. Good seating area, full size refrigerator, freezer, cabinets. Oh man. So anyways, as you can tell, I'm super excited and I wanted to share it with you all. So stay tuned, because in the future I do plan to share my RV journey, like the process of looking for one, purchasing one, and then getting it on the road. I don't know if I'll do that on this YouTube channel or start a different channel, but I'm super excited about it and I can't wait to share. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you if you actually watched all the way through to this part. And I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.